Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, most of this afternoon ends up dry, but we are tracking some rain showers showing up right now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Notice a few patches of green stretching towards the tip of Long Island and Block Island. Most of those holding off, though they don't make it through. And then notice the pink and the blue approaching western Connecticut. This is a combination of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and just plain old rain showers. But by the time it arrives this evening, most of it is in the form of rain. There could be a little pocket of sleet or maybe snow that develops in northwestern Rhode Island, but I'm not expecting any accumulation. We'll change over pretty quickly to that rain. There is a winter weather advisory in effect for west central Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, in this area in purple. If you're leaving early for the weekend, maybe doing some skiing this weekend, and you're driving this evening or early tomorrow morning, keep in mind there could be some snow on the roads and also freezing rain. That's almost worse than snow. We're talking about 1/4 of an inch of ice possible on the road, so please use caution if you're driving to the north this evening or tomorrow morning. In the meantime, we have the clouds over Providence right now. Temperature 39 degrees. Those winds out of the southeast at 3 miles an hour. 40 right now in Taunton, 40 New Bedford. We're 40 in Newport. A little cooler in Providence at 39 degrees. 37 for Smithfield and 38 right now in Westerly. So notice that most of what's on the way is green, representing rain. There's a little bit of cold air banked up against the rain, and that's why we are seeing some snow and sleet, maybe some freezing rain. Definitely some freezing rain up to the north, but down here in southern New England, we keep it mostly liquid. That is very good news for our roads. So we go hour by hour. 2 o'clock, mostly dry. As we approach 3 or 4 o'clock, the precipitation starts to slide in from the west, mostly rain showers, but there could be, again, maybe some snowflakes or sleet pellets flying in the air at this time, but it changes over quickly to plain old rain. By 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you can see the green starting to fill in. And then overnight, that rain continues, heavy at times, all the way through much of tomorrow. Now, 11 o'clock in the morning, some heavy rain still possible. By tomorrow afternoon, say after 2 or 3, we start to taper off the showers, and it's mostly dry but windy by tomorrow night. So your forecast for this afternoon, mostly dry, perhaps a few sprinkles along the south shore, but mostly rain-free temperatures in the low 40s. Low 40s for northern Rhode Island with a high temperature of 40 in Burrillville. And for eastern Massachusetts, 41 Taunton, 42 New Bedford, 42 in Plymouth. Tonight, rain heavy at times. Temperatures will start at around 8 o'clock at 36 or 37. Then as that warm front pushes through, look at these temperatures. A very interesting temperature trend. We're 41 by 2 o'clock in the morning, 51 by 4 a.m. tomorrow. So tomorrow is a mild day, but we do have the rain. Windy tomorrow night. Most of this weekend is looking relatively quiet. 48 on Saturday, maybe a few snowflakes Sunday night into Monday morning. But all in all, a pretty nice weekend. Just some rain to get through tonight. Don't forget about our new app, Danielle.
Yes.
It's for the iPad, and that's actually an iPhone. We have 2 apps. One for the iPad, one for the iPhone, one for the Android phone. So that's actually 3 apps. You get the idea. A lot of information,
right.
A lot of apps. Very easy to track the weather.
All different places you can go to get it.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Pete.